Hello everyone, welcome back to Happy Coding. In the previous video, we have created the login page where we have the username field and the password field and the login button. On clicking the login button, we used to jump for the second activity where we have the welcome message. Now let us see how we can give the authentication for the login page so that the user and the password should match the user and the password that we give, and then it has to give the login authentication. So in order to do that, we have to get the string that is written, that is typed by the user in the username edit text and the password in the edit text. So in order to fetch, so we can fetch the string entered in the username and the password field by using the get text. So get text dot to string, convert into the string, and store this string which is fetched into another string called let us call it as a user, and then declare the user as a string in the global, and then fetch the password as, here is the password edit text, and copy this and get text, and, and then convert to string, and then store it as password, and the password is already declared here in the global. And now see let us put the if condition, that if the user, now we are storing the user, now we are storing whatever entered in the username field in the user. Now let us check, is the entered text is equal is equals to the thing which we give here, is equals, sorry, is equals to the string. Let us give the username as Android user, and condition for username and the password to match, and password the password equals to the string. Let us give the password as Android, right? And this is the if condition in order to jump for the next activity, or else what it should show if the criteria is not matched. So, and another thing is, we cannot use the equal sign for matching, or the for equality in the Android. So we have to give equals. So then if the criteria does not match, then it has to pop up the toast message. Let me teach you how the toast message will pop up. Toast, let us call it as a toast, then new, this as make toast, and sorry, it's a toast and dot make text. Here it is uh, calling the get application context. The text is the text which you want to show for the user. Then let us show it as username and password word is wrong, and the duration will be toast dot long. You can either give a length long and a length short. If you give the long, then it will be pop-upping for the few seconds, called like a 10 seconds. If it is a short, then it will pop up for just for a 2 seconds. Then now I'm choosing the long. So this is what we declare, what we create. We created the toast now, and then um, use the toast and show. It will show the toast when the authentication fails. Now, what we need to see when we go for the second activity. So, in the second activity, let me teach you how to draw the image view. So, go to the graphical view and then drag and drop the image view. By default, it will take the IC launcher, that is Android image, and then if you want the rose picture to be here, then download the rose picture and then drag and drop it in the uh, drawer file, and then you can use here at the drawable you have the rose, so give the name as the rose. No need of giving a extension here. Now you can see what happens. So you are getting the rose picture here. If you want to enlarge the picture, then give it as fill parent. Fill parent. Now you can see the larger uh, um, picture of the rose. So let's now run our application and see how the toast and the image view works. Run as the Android application. um, as my virtual machine is online, so it's running on the virtual device here. So it's asking for the username. Our username is user Android user. Let me give the wrong username. Notice here the U is small and the password is Android. Now let us see how it gives the toast message. This is how it gives the toast message. Username and the password is wrong. Now let's make the username the exactly what I have given here. So here we have the username as Android user, and this one is correct, and the password is Android. Now let's now click the login. We will redirect into the second page. Welcome, this is Rose. I hope you enjoyed the video and you also learned the toast message and the image view.